Hey everyone, today I am going to be doing my husband's makeup. I was trying to do like a Michael Graves look on him, but I feel like it didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted to. I used the only white foundation I have. It's a very moisturizing white foundation. I haven't tried other white foundations. This is the only one I've tried. My husband, I think he has the Marin one, and it's a very thicker consistency. I really like the Sunset one. I would experiment with other white foundations if I used it as much, but I do have dry skin, so I stick by this one. So here I'm just doing the outline of whatever I was gonna do. I like to do like, I guess, a rough outline of where everything is gonna go. I go in with a beauty blender and I just do very gentle taps. I do not wet my beauty sponge. Maybe that'd be a good idea, but I did a dry sponge this time. And now I'm using the white setting powder. It's a really messy application. I have no idea how to do this like in a neater way. I'm gonna be using a black and a white and a gray eyeshadow and a stiff angled brush so I can do the outline. You can kind of see the picture that I was like referencing, that I was using as a reference. But yeah, here I'm just doing the outlines. I was trying my best to be neat, but I think that was my mistake. If I would have wanted to do a more authentic look, I guess doing it faster and less neat would have helped a lot. I'm so used to doing creative makeup on myself that I didn't realize that this was not the best way to do, I guess, a man's makeup. You know, women and men tend to do like a different way of makeup, and I realized that men tend to have more angular looks and more like messy, while women tend to have neater looks and just a lot more controlled. But yeah, so I think that was my mistake. If I ever were to do his makeup again, I think I can try to loosen up a little bit and not think of it as a glamorous makeup look, but instead of just something like, I don't know, I guess more like just masculine, because I mean there is a big difference. And here was another mistake that I did. I rounded out the nose when it should have been more like angular. Of course, that kind of messed up the whole look and it made him look like I was trying to make him a puppy or something. He actually mentions that. So here I am doing, I guess, the stencil for the eye. I couldn't figure out if to do it below or above his eyebrow, so I ended up going above. And this is my first time doing, I guess, like a skull type of makeup look, so I didn't really have like any experience in this. And I'm just filling in his eyes with black eyeshadow, and then I was like, you know what, I can just do the black foundation that I have. And I was putting that cream over his eyes. And then I went ahead and I did black eyeshadow on top to help make it darker. The black foundation is very dark. It's literally black, but it's not dark enough. So of course I needed to go in with a black loose powder to make sure it was matte and it didn't move.
Am I gonna end up looking like those little doggies?
The Dalmatian?
They're, I don't know what they are.
No. The Dalmatians?
I think so.
No.
Kind of look like
No, why would you say that?
at the tip.
Mm-hmm.
At like. You could use that as like a little crack.
You can use the other side of the brush too. You can put your pinky out if it helps. And then you can close this eye and off the other one. So you can go like
Here,
this.
you do it. I'm messing it up on the inside.
Show them what you did. Show them what you did. Show them. You're too short. Get back. No. Alright, close your eye. He was trying to save this look. I did not know how to save it. I ended up messing it up even worse afterwards, especially when it came to putting powder onto his eyes and trying to like get the X's off. You can see how much of a difference here the black powder does on top of the black foundation that I just placed. The black foundation powder is so good, but it just goes everywhere and I ended up making a mess. He was just trying to save the look and he did his best with it. Honestly, this was my fault. I couldn't fix it. Maybe next time I'll do a better version of this. Of course, I had to show you the makeup that I was currently wearing. I love it so much. And the black foundation just gets absolutely everywhere. It's insane. I don't know how to like deal with this, to be honest. So yeah, here's the final look. He tried his best to save it, but it was my fault, really. And then like a few days later, he ended up doing his own makeup and I thought it looked pretty badass, so I had to include it, of course. He did a much better job than I did. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.